A breakfast bar is similar to an island in that it adds counter space to a kitchen. It is different in that it comes with seating and is attached to either an existing counter or wall, featuring only 3 usable sides. It is typically higher in height than kitchen counters. It is ideal in kitchens that are narrow, transitional areas between kitchens and dining rooms. Depending on your preferences, a breakfast bar can be of a different counter material than a kitchen island to delineate areas. It can also be as simple as adding stools to one side of your kitchen island to serve as a space for eating and entertaining.